Hey everyone, welcome to Gym United YouTube Official. In this tutorial, we will show you how to integrate NextCloud with the WP file download plugin, allowing you to manage your WordPress file downloads using your NextCloud storage. Let's get started. NextCloud is an open source platform that allows individuals or organizations to host their own cloud services. It provides tools for file storage, sharing, collaboration, and synchronization across devices, similar to Google Drive or Dropbox, but with a focus on privacy and data ownership. Users can manage calendars, contacts, and tasks, integrate third-party apps, and maintain full control over their data since it's hosted on their own servers or a trusted provider. It's widely used for secure and customizable file management, especially by privacy-conscious users and businesses. To upgrade your team's workflow even more, today we'll dive in how to connect and use your NextCloud as your WordPress file download cloud. This means you can access to your NextCloud material and files directly from WordPress without extra hassles. So let's look into it. Before we start using the NextCloud integration, we need to link our NextCloud account to our WordPress site. To do this, go to the Configuration section in File Download. Then, move to the Cloud Connection tab and select the NextCloud option. From here, you'll need to input some information for the connection to work. I'll guide you in the quickest and easiest way, but if you want to look deeper into this, there's this online document presented by the plugin maker for you. The first one is NextCloud URL. You can get this by go to your NextCloud server and copy everything until the .com like this and paste it here. Remember, this URL can be different based on what you choose when you create your server, so take extra mind on this step. Next one is username and password. Easy, just type in your NextCloud login account. The last one is root folder name. You can either select a new folder that already existed in your NextCloud storage or create a new one by typing a new folder name in this section. The last two options are synchronizing method and synchronize periodicity. If you don't dive too hard on technical things and stuff, you can leave the sync method at default, and the sync periodicity decide how long your files on both platforms will be synchronized with each other. I usually leave it at 5 minutes, but you always can manually synchronize them by go to your file download display and do magic thing like this. Once that's all done, let's move on to the next part and explore the file download with the NextCloud connection. Now that you've linked your NextCloud account to your file download, take a peek at your files or media library. It's got a new addition. Alongside your regular files, you'll spot a shiny new section which contain every file and folder in your NextCloud root folder. Take mind that the root folder name will not be displayed here but only everything inside that, so you should pay attention to not be confused. Now you can tap into your NextCloud storage. This grants you direct control to manage, shift, upload, and organize files right within WordPress. It keeps every essential function of file download, such as configuration of file and categories. You can change the configuration of one files or multiple files with this. It still display all the details of the file without any restricts. Not just with files, categories also alike. You can customize your folder appearance like name or color for better organization, or look deeper into categories setting to twerk some core functions such as theme setting and user permissions. I already covered these functions in another video. Check the description for more information if you're interested. Be able to directly connect and using your NextCloud files sound great, but let not forget the crucible usage of file download is the presentation of your media files on your pages of content, with the utmost efficiently to work with your files on multiple platforms at once without delay. You can insert it to your page using the shortcode provided by the categories itself, or help yourself in an easier way is to using page building platforms such as Divi or Elementor. Put the file download plugin to your block and select which categories you want to present, and of course, we have to use categories came from NextCloud this time to check if it's actually working. The idea of using a synchronized storage within your WordPress plugin is to cut loose wasteful time and boost your workflow to the utmost efficiency. Like you can stand in one place and still have the way to connect to all your storages without actually going there, download your desired files, go back to your WordPress, upload it and then insert it here like this. In addition to the NextCloud connection we just covered, the WordPress file download plugin offers several other great features, such as PDF embed, file download, and other cloud connectors like Dropbox and OneDrive, among others. It's also compatible with popular third-party plugins like Divi Builder, Gutenberg, and Elementor, which I demonstrated earlier in this video. The plugin is available for $49, but if you want to use the Cloud Connectors add-on, like NextCloud, you'll need to upgrade to the $69 option, which includes all the integrations I mentioned. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day. Bye.